Everyone, please check your audio and video. Yes, yesterday I was talking about pagination. The process of keeping, what is that? The process of displaying huge number of records in multiple parts, part by part, multiple parts, part by part or page by page is called pagination. Okay, in Oracle or MySQL, we should write lot of complex queries based on renum to get the records page by page. To simply get the records what page by page, very complexity is there. Ronum is a pseudo column number that holds record number. Okay, we have to write very complex query to using Ronum while working with pagination concept. Fine, but Hibernate simplifies that process by giving two methods. One is first set first result, other one is set max result. Set max results always takes page size. Page size means how many records you want to get in each page, and set first result is always there holds start position. It takes start position from where record should be displayed in the web page. It's a zero based index, boss. Set first result is always zero based index. For example, if I give set first result as 0, max result as 5. So first 5 records will be displayed in the first page. In the next page, I should give set first result as 5 and max result anyhow same 5 will continue. Then it will give next 5 to 10 records will be displayed. Okay, for third page, set first result I have to change to 10 and max result is again 5. So then it time displays what 10 to 15 records. Got it or not there? So later we decided to develop same application as a GUI application by taking web application. Yes. Clicking on button having page size gives request to controller servlet. Controller servlet talks to service class. Service class talks to DAO. DAO talks to database. From database, we will get what? Result set. Result set. Result set that will be converted into list of entities. Will be passed to service. Service converts into list of DTOs. Passed to what? JSP. JSP uses presentation logic to convert them into HTML table, and table will be displayed on the browser having page number. Simply having what? Page numbers. Right. Okay. So another layered application, guys. Let's switch our workspace NTHB914. Yeah, in the DAO yesterday we have taken two methods, boss. One is to get total records of the table. Okay, number two is based on the given start position and page size, it should return list of entity objects. It should return list of entity object back to service class. Back to service class. Yeah, here very much need of contextual session we can see, boss. How can we see contextual session need over here, sir? We can definitely see here. Okay. So each request is going to call both methods. Both methods of DAO. One is what? Get total records count. Other one is get page data. Each request, one thread, but it is going to do two persistence operation. So better to use same session object or two different session object. Same session object. Come on, guys. Same session object. So that is possible when you go for contextual session, that to thread-based session. Contextual session, that to thread-based session. Are you getting my point there? Contextual session, that too we have to think about creating thread-based session. Right, guys? What happened? Why it is not recognizing jars, guys? Gradle refresh. Huh? Okay, now red marks gone. Red marks gone. Yes, everyone got the clarity. This is to get the records count. This is to get the all records as through named queries. But because of first result and max results, okay, only according to page size, based on the page size, limited records, based on the page size, limited records will come. Everyone comfortable with yesterday's code? Shall we move further now? Especially look at this code. Get named query. This named query gives me all the records, boss. If you look at the entity class, this named query gives me all the records of insurance policy table. But because of this first result start position and max result page size, we will get limited number of records based on the page size and start position. Everyone understood my point? Yes, guys. Let's go for service class development. Which class here? Service class. Yeah, for loose coupling here also we have to think about taking interface and implementation class story. Insurance management service. Insurance management service. First list DTO. Insurance DTO. First list DTO. Insurance DTO. What DTO? Insurance DTO. I think better to follow a standard of I. Yeah, from here we can rename the file. First list insurance DTO. Insurance DTO. Here also two methods. Because to call those DAO method here also we need two methods, boss. Okay, one is what? Fetch records count. Fetch records count. We need fetch records count. I think we don't need that. Okay, we need number of pages in the JSP also. If I know number of pages, okay, if I know number of pages, understanding my point. If I know number of pages in the JSP, I can display these hyperlinks, boss. JSP needs number of pages, not the records count. Come on. Yeah. These, if I get number of pages, it will be useful for JSP to get these numbers. Agree with me? Super. Okay. Now here, what is this? Get or fetch. Okay. Pages count. Pages count. Get or fetch pages count. Okay. I think it's the interface. We should go for declaration of the methods. Control plus shift plus O. Okay, 1 minute. I will not take list. First of all, I will take this one as a intar long. Fine. Next one is what? Is a list insurance DTO. Insurance DTO. Fetch page data. Fetch page data. Fetch page data. Fetch page data. Focus. Yeah. Fetch. DAO expecting what here? Start position and page size. Start position and page size. Understanding my statement? Anyhow, page size will come. Page size will come from controller servlet always. Okay. So that's why that page size as it is I am passing. Okay, next. But this time it will give me records count, boss. Okay, records count. This time it will give me records count. Records count. This time it will give me what? Records count. And this fetch page data will calculate start position. Will calculate start position. Understanding my statement? Insurance policy DTO. Will calculate start position and calls the DAO method. Calls the DAO method. Yes. Don't lose your focus. Focus. A lot of things are there to study here. Yes. Here we are having class here. Here we are having class. What is this? Insurance policy. Insurance policy. Management. Insurance policy management service IMPL. What is the interface we have to implement? I insurance policy DAO. Sorry, not DAO. I insurance policy management service. Right. Management service. Yeah. Oh, I cannot delete like that. Huh? Okay. Let me call remove here. Save finish. Fine, guys. Now tell me. Right now, DAO is having any state, boss? Do you think DAO is having any state? Do you think, no DAO, no state. So better to create only one object or multiple objects for DAO? Only one object. Okay, how to create one object in the constructor? In the constructor of service, I am going to create private I insurance. Private I insurance DAO is equal to null. Private I insurance DAO is equal to null. New insurance DAO IMPL. New insurance DAO IMPL. Is that clear? New insurance DAO IMPL. Yes, we have created insurance DAO IMPL class object. Cool, guys. Right. Now, right, that is ready. DAO ready. Guys, you are not active. I don't know why. Into long. Okay. Long records count. Long records count is equal to long records count is equal to 0 L. 0 L. 1 minute. Records count is equal to DAO dot. What dot? DAO dot. DAO dot. Total records count. Written records count. Yes, that is also done. But acha, here we are not looking for records count. We are looking for pages count. How to get the pages count here? Long pages count is equal to 0 L. Tell me. Pages count is equal to pages count is equal to pages count is equal to oh, okay. Sorry, I have to change my signature little bit. I have to get the page size. From here, I should get the page size. Come on, guys. Page size will come from controller only. Page size should come from controller. Here also page size. pages. I have to modify signatures little bit. Wait. Okay. Records count by page size. Records count by page size. Right, guys? If yesterday I have given this logic, records count percentile, page size, double equal to 0 is exactly divisible. No problem. Not divisible. What is this? Not divisible. Understanding my statement? Okay. Pages count plus plus. Yeah, pre or post, that does not matter. Okay. Right now, I will return it. Pages count. Enjoyed my point? Come on, guys. Everyone enjoyed this point. We are getting pages count. Page size, anyhow, we read from text box and from Serlet it will come. From Serlet it will come. Okay, since here only page size is there, here only page size is there, there is no need of expecting page size. Mm, there is no need of page size. Page size is required. Records count you need not to pass here, because as above method is giving me a page size is there. Wait. Only page size is enough. Only page size is enough. Only page size is enough, guys. Okay. But from end user, I want to get page number. Page size, comma, page number. Understanding my statement? No. Page number. Because we click on hyperlink 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. We click on hyperlinks. Don't forget that. What is required for this method is a page number, not the total records count. That is not required. Come on. If I have page number, that is enough. Recollect, when I click on these hyperlinks, 1, 2, 3, 4, we will get the page number. We will get the page number. Page size is required, boss. Page size is also required every time. Because if a page size is not coming, how DAO can call set max results method? Set max results method. Getting my point? Okay. Let's see. You see my code, you will get idea. Get to start position for every page. Start position of record in DB table for every page. Every page based on given page number. Right? Sir, why error is coming? Because in the service that is not designed like this. Into page size, comma, into page number. Page size, comma, page number. Right? Yeah, let's see. Into start position is equal to 0. Start position is equal to, yesterday I have given formula. Can you tell me what is the formula? Page number into page size minus page size. Page number into page size minus page size. Come on, guys. Come on. We got start position. Yesterday I have explained all these things. Second method don't need pages count. Second method also need page number. Why? Because based on the hyperlinks we clicked, content in the table should be changed for that reason. Right. Use DAO. When I use DAO, I will get list of entity objects, boss. Insurance policy. Insurance policy. What is this? List entities. List entities is equal to null. Tell me. List entities is equal to. What is equal to? Entities is equal to DAO dot get page data. What data? Get page data. Get page data. What is that? Page size, comma, start position. I think reverse in the DAO how I designed first page size, then start position. Fine. Here also same thing. Right. Now convert list entities to list DTOs. List entities to list DTO. Okay. Tell me. List insurance DTO. Insurance policy DTO. List DTO is equal to new array list of. New array list of. New array list of. Understanding my statement there? Yes, guys. New array list of. Great. I'm using Java 8 code here. Java 8 of lambda expressions concept for each. Each iteration is going to give one entity. Each iteration is going to give one entity. Come on, guys. Come on. I hope you are understanding. Each is going to give one entity. If you are interested in the DTO, you can take an extra property called serial number. To give the feeling DTO is having extra thing, you can take one serial number and we can generate that serial number dynamically. And you can go for some conversions also. Other day we discussed what is need of taking separate DTO. Remembered? Remembered. Let me implement that concept also. Serial number. Serial number. Control plus shift plus O. Control plus, okay, alt plus shift plus S and R. Okay. Select all after tenure. After tenure. List entities dot for each entity. Here what is this? Here what is this, guys? What is this, guys? Insurance policy DTO. DTO is equal to insurance policy DTO of. I created DTO class object. Then tell me. Okay. Yeah, toString anyhow I'm not going to use. Then what? I have to copy one by one. Are you understanding? I have to copy one by one. I have to copy one by one. If you're having that much psychological feeling, I'll update toString what is there in that. Alt plus shift plus yes and yes. Right. Anyhow, we don't use only for debugging, we are going to use it. List insurance policy DTO, new insurance policy DTO. Yes, guys. One by one. Here we don't have beanutils dot copy property is only specific to Spring here. We have to copy manually. DTO dot set policy ID entity dot get policy ID. DTO dot set policy name entity dot get policy name. DTO dot tell me next one. Set policy name. Policy name is policy type entity dot get policy type, DTO dot set tenure, entity dot get tenure, entity dot get tenure, entity dot get tenure. Next one, DTO dot I think all properties are over, it seems. Tenure is over. Set company, okay. Entity dot get company. Entity dot get company. Super boss. Entity dot get company. Tell me here. List entity dot list DTO dot add DTO. List DTO dot add DTO. Sir, serial number we have not written. Come on. Akshay Buse, do you think it's a persistence logic here? Copying entity to DTO is a persistence logic. Such a senior student of online classes. Copying entity to DTO is looking like a persistence logic. Great fellows here. Day to day, your knowledge is increasing or decreasing. Is there any database hit here? I got a DTO, I got entities, list entities, I am converting. Okay, here what is this? Here what is this? Here itself I can check, no problem. DTO dot set serial number. Serial number. Tell me. List DTO dot size plus 1. List DTO dot size plus 1. List DTO dot size plus 1. At the end, boss, all are added. Return list DTO. Yeah, someone asked me, sir, butils dot copy property can be added. You cannot add, boss. You cannot, because that is given by Spring API, not given by this one. Sir, here also I want to use. Maybe you have to think about going to commons butils. One jar is there. If you add that jar manually, you can go for bean. Commons buttil. Commons buttil. One jar is there. By adding that, you can call some third-party methods. How we worked with IO utils dot copy by adding commons IO dot jar kind of thing. Okay. Line number 46, not understanding. If you study core Java properly, you'll understand. Okay. Let us assume list. Let us assume list entities are having 10 elements. Okay. In list DTO also 10 elements will come because we are in the loop. Okay. But serial number should be generated dynamically. Okay. First of all, list DTO is empty collection. First iteration, DTO dot serial number, list DTO dot size plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1 will be the serial number. For first DTO, 1 is the serial number. Second iteration, at the end of first iteration, list DTO is added with 1 DTO. So that's why list DTO dot size is what? 2. List DTO dot size is what here? 2. 2 plus 1. Sorry, already size is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. That is second iteration. What about third iteration? By before third iteration, how many elements are there in DTO? 2 are there. Tell me what happens. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Nitil Gatke, at least you understood your brain. Easy concept was, I'm just going by size of list DTO. I'm just going by size of list DTO. Because size of list DTO increases in each iteration. Based on that size, I am also setting serial number, boss. Fine, boss. Next. So with this service part is also gone. Next, controller. But before developing controller, I have to develop one index.html by adding index.html to web content folder. Index.html. Index.html. Color colon red. Text hyphen align center. Color colon red. Text hyphen align center. Understanding? Okay. Fine. Color colon red. Text hyphen align center. Home page I will write. Okay. Report generation page. Report, not report generation page here. Okay. Welcome to, okay, LIC. Welcome to LIC. Welcome to LIC. Okay. Fine. Here, what is this? Form action is equal to controller. Method is equal to post. Method is equal to post. Here is my, tell me guys, here is my method is equal to post. Tell me here, what is that? Bold. Okay, bold here. Otherwise, we'll take the support of table boss for better designing. Table open and closing. Table border is equal to 1. Next, align is equal to center. BZ color is equal to cyan. What is equal to cyan? BZ color is equal to cyan. TR opening and closing. TD opening and closing. TD opening and closing. Yeah, enter page size. Enter page size. One more TD. Opening and closing. Tell me. Input type is equal to text. Name is equal to page size. Name is equal to page size. Name is equal to page size. TR opening and closing. TD opening and closing. Tell me guys. TD opening and closing. Yeah, tell me here. Call span is equal to 2. Call span is equal to 2. Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to generate report. Okay, I'm giving name also for this here. I'm also giving name also for this. Okay. Yes, one submit button. Yes, one I have given. Submit button. Listen, this is very important here. While developing controller servlet, you have to concentrate one thing. What is that you know? When I click on submit button, page size will be there. Page number will not be there. That time page number should be assigned to 1. Page number should be taken as 1. When I click on these hyperlinks, because my controller servlet gets a request from this button and these hyperlinks also. When I click on these hyperlinks, there will not be page number, but there will be page size. Sorry, there will not be page size, but there will be page number. There will be page number, but there will not be any page size. Okay, when I click on this button, so page size already kept in session object. The page size that is already kept in session object should be taken and continued. Come on. When you click on this button, page number should be taken as 1, because if no page number is given, by default first page should come. So that means my controller servlet should differentiate logic for button, should also differentiate logic for what? Hyperlink. Are you getting my point? So anyhow, hyperlink is going to send this page number through additional request parameter, and button is going to send, okay, this caption as button name as the request parameter. You observe this. Controller servlet. Right click, new servlet. Main controller servlet. What here? Main controller servlet. / controller. Say next. Do get init destroy. Save finish. Public void. Request comma response. Here is also request. Request comma response. Okay. Yeah, nothing is there. This HTTP servlet internally implements serializable interface here. Okay. To avoid some serialization related issue, deserialization issue, version ID is generated. Okay. Core Java concept class. Request here, response here. Request comma response. Fine, boss. Now, I have to tell me, service class is having state or no state? No state. So what is the right place to create service class in the controller servlet? What's the right place to create service class? Init method. So which init method is recommended to use? Init with one parameter or init with no parameter? Which init method is recommended to use? Init with one parameter or init with no parameter? Init with no parameter, right? Init with one parameter or init with no parameter? Init with no parameter is the right. Okay, here insurance policy management service. Insurance policy management service. Where is that here? Insurance. Acha, I insurance. Got it. I got it. I insurance management service. Service is equal. Null will come automatically. I insurance policy management. Oh, I have taken insurance management. Okay. I think I have taken DAO also same thing. DAO I have taken insurance policy DAO. Service insurance policy. Okay. A small change is there. We will do the same change. Insurance policy. Rename it. Yes. Yes, guys. Yes, we got a service here. Service is equal to new insurance. New insurance policy management service IMP. Here I want to nullify. Service is equal to null. Service is equal to null. Yeah. Focus. Service is equal to null. Next one. In the do get method, what should I do? If I get hyperlink, one logic. If I get request from submit button, another logic. Understanding my statement? Yes. Into page number is equal to 0. Into page size is equal to 0. Into page number is equal to 0. Into page size is equal to 0. Fine. Page number is equal to 0 and page size is equal to 0. Read S1 request param value. Okay. Request rest. String pval is equal to param val is equal to spval special param val is equal to tell me if what is that here if come on guys if request okay I will first write like this a special request param value sp val is equal to request dot get parameter of s1 request dot get parameter of s1 understanding my statement yes if sp val equals ignore case equals ignore case understanding my statement if sp val equals ignore case what is that generate report I want to write with proper spell boss generate report if sp val equals ignore case generate report understanding my statement there okay yes this is for hyperlink guys this is for hyperlink this is for submit button submit button this is for hyperlink this is for submit button okay next page size is equal to integer dot parseint of request dot get parameter of page size request dot get parameter of page size here is my page size here is my page size everyone got the clarity there or not there come on right sir but page number is what sir page number is not there yes so page number is 1 page number is 1 yeah why are you taking 1 sir array when I click on submit button first page only should come na first page because no hyperlinks will be there that's why page number 1 Page number is 1. Okay, nice guys. But I want to keep this page size. I want to keep this page size in the session scope. When our button is clicked, page size I am reading, but I want to keep in a session scope, right? HTTP session SCS is equal to null. HTTP session SCS is equal to null, and I'm going to create session boss, right? Read request parameter. Okay, differentiate logic. Okay, create or locate session object. Create or locate session. SCS is equal to request dot get session of true. If session object is already there, it will locate it. If not there, it will create it. Come on, guys. If not there, it will create it. If session object is already there, it will locate. If not there, it will create it. Come on, come on. Are you understanding my statement? Yes. Okay, whatever page size it has kept, get page size from form. Done. Next, set set page num set page number one for page number as one for initial request. For what? Initial request. Next, keep page size in session scope to use across the multiple request of a browser. Across the multiple request of a browser software. Across the multiple request of a browser software. Right. What is that? Session dot set attribute. Session dot set attribute. Page size, comma, page size. Page size, comma, page size. Right. Now listen. This is all this stuff for what? All this stuff for all this is the stuff for what? With respect to submit button. Okay, you look at the diagram. Here I should get numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. When I click on them, they carry same 1, same 2, same 3 as additional request parameter by using one or other request parameter name. Right, guys. Okay. Now listen. Session dot set attribute page is equal to page size comma page size. Here from hyperlink. From what? For hyperlink. When I click on hyperlink, request parameter will come. Page number will come automatically. Page number is equal to integer dot parse int of request dot get parameter of page number. Page number is equal to integer dot parse int of request dot get parameter of what here? Request dot get parameter of page number. Are you getting my point there? Yeah, this page number is what? Additional request parameter number, name given by hyperlink. Super boss. What about page size, sir? Page size is equal to session dot get attribute. Session dot get attribute. Tell me. Page size. Session dot get attribute to page size. So definitely some typecasting is required. Definitely typecasting is required, right? So page size also. Page size I am collecting from session scope. Why? And one browser. See, user one using browser one, user he has chosen page size 3. User 2 used browser 2, he has chosen page size 10. User 3 some other page. Which can hold data specific to each browser or each user. Session scope only, na? Only session scope. Listen, you look at the Gmail here. I opened Gmail by going to setting. I have taken page size 20 per page 20 emails. Someone has taken page size 100. Someone has taken page size 300. They should be changed for every request for every browser, every browser or every user, right? If you want to make any data specific to each user or each browser software, session scope is the ultimate scope or not there. Session scope is the ultimate scope or not. Come on, guys. Okay. Page size into session dot get attribute of page size. Cool, guys. Great, great, great. After that, what next? After that, what next? Here is my page size. Here is my page number one. Here is my this one. Okay, here also we get it. Get page number from hyperlink supplied. Hyperlink supplied. Additional request param value. Next. Get page size from session attribute. From session scope. From session scope. From session scope. From session scope. Nice, guys. After that, what next? Who knows? No, listen. Okay, this is done. Next, who knows? Sometimes session is not there. Somehow session is disabled. That time I want to go with the default page size. What here? I want to go with the default page size also. So what is the default page size I want to take? Yes, in both places, session not equal to null, question mark, session dot set attribute. Understanding my point there? Colon, colon, session not equal to null, session dot question mark. Otherwise, I want to take this 3 as the default size. If session object, HTTP session object not equal to null, this. Otherwise, I want to take uh, page size as the 3. I want to take page size is equal to 3. Can I write ternary operator like this? Is it possible? Session not equal to null. Session not equal to null. Right only, na? Acha, I must write in set attribute. I cannot write in this. Okay. No, we cannot. We go for. Acha, session is not a boolean, na? Are session not equal to. Okay, we'll write if condition. Okay. If session not equal to null, if session not equal to null, what I am going to do? If session not equal to null, session dot set attribute, session dot set attribute, session dot set attribute, page size comma, page size comma 3. Sorry, page size comma page size. Page size, comma, page size. Okay, boss. Page size, comma, page size. Wait. Page size, comma, page size. Right. Suppose session is not created. Session is not created. And session is not created. Session is not created. So then what I want to do? Session is not created. Then page size is equal to 3. Page size is equal to 3. No, they're not required. Wait, here not required. Yes, here we got it. Here we got it. Here we got it. Here we will do one thing. Wait. If request dot, if request dot get parameter, if request dot get parameter, wait. Request dot get parameter page size. Page size. Request dot get parameter page size. Page size. Not equal to null. Request dot get parameter page size not equal to null. Not equal to 9. Okay. Request dot get parameter not equal to null. Request dot. Then you will get it. Else you take page size as 3. You take page size as 3. Understanding my statement? If request dot get parameter page size is there, okay, request dot get parameter page size is there, then only read it. Otherwise, you take default page size as 3. Right. Okay. Now you concentrate. Get page size from session scope, boss. Get page size from session scope. When, if page size session attribute is there, if not there, if session not equal to null, session not equal to null, because I am already getting what session object here, boss. If session not equal to null, get it from there. Okay, if not there, here also you take what? Page size 3. Here also you take what? Page size 3. Comfortable, guys? I want to take default page size is 3, boss. Everyone understanding my statement there or not there? Okay, here you need not write else block here. You need not write else block. We are keeping page size in the session scope only when session object is there. If not there, we are not going to do anything. That's it. If not there, we are not going to do anything. You know one thing, instead of doing this much hangama, instead of doing this much hangama, we can do one more thing. What is that, you know? Don't write this. Don't write this. Don't write this. Don't write this. Just take page size 3. Default page size 3. Come on. One and the same, na, boss. One and the same, na. Default page size. I get different thoughts at different times here. I'm just showing. Default page size. Okay. Generally, request object will be there. Request parameter will be there. So now no need of checking condition. Page size is enough. Okay. Here, if session object is not null, okay. Session object, okay. Right. Page size is equal to session dot get attribute. Understood, my point? Hard coding is not recommended. Array default page size I am hard coding ra babu. Sir, can we provide default page size? I don't want to read from end user. Pappu Babu, what I am doing is this is not that. I am doing both ra babu. After listening entire Ramayana, is asking this question. Great fellow here. After listening entire Ramayana, is asking this question. Someone asking me, sir, please explain one more time. If you know Serlet, should I, sir, this is a great code in Serlet, huh? Come on, guys. This is the great code in Serlet. That's why study Serlet, ra babu. Study Serlet. See, that too is wording is take. Explain one more time all this. Worst fellow. Okay, let me ask a reverse question. Do you know Serlet? Mr. Akku. What's your nickname? Mr. Akku, do you know Serlet? I'm asking question. Where you are stacking up, tell me then. Where you are stacking up? Tell me what is the difference between request scope and session scope? Akku, you answer my question, then I will decide whether you know Serlet or not. What is the difference between request scope and session scope? Akku, I want reply from you. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Saying is very easy. Akku, I want reply. What's the difference between request scope and session scope? No reply. Know that. So if you don't know request scope and session scope difference, what's the use of explaining one more time, guys? First study Serlets properly, ra babu, before showing your attitude. Look at his wording, not even request mode. Explain one more time all this. He's ordering me. Look at his attitude. He's commanding me. Akku, I don't want your yes sir, no sir, boss. I don't need your yes sir, no sir. I want to answer what is the difference between request scope and session scope. If you tell me that, I can decide whether you know Serlet or not. Then I can analyze why you are understanding, why you are not understanding. I don't want other answers. I want that difference, request scope and session scope difference. Arey Akku, I am answer ra babu. What is the difference between request scope and session scope? Right. Fine, boss. Yeah. Page number 1. Here also we can take page number 1 by removing here. But that is not required. That is required only when this happens. Okay. First study fundamentals of Serlet. Then you will understand it. If you don't know fundamentals of Serlet, you cannot understand this code. Guys, the people who know servlets, they're able to understand this code easily or any difficulty? Any difficulty? See, if you don't know Serlet, if I explain 100 times also, it's very difficult to understand. Understanding my point? And if you have taken Serlets with me, it's a very cakewalk code, not at all a big code. Right now? Please don't make your what is that, lack of basics, lack of prerequisite as a big confusion, big doubt. Please guys, lack of core Java should not look like a big doubt. Lack of servlet JSP fundamental should not become big doubt, because you are learning frameworks. You are supposed to have core Java and what, servlet JSP basics in your mind. Nowadays it has become very fashion for the people. No basics, no lack of core Java, lack of advanced Java. They say, I didn't understand. Again, explain. Actually, at this stage of learning, when in the framework classes, when I write core Java statement, I should not explain. You should understand. When I write servlet JSP statement, I should not explain. In the flow, you should go. Guys, okay. Right. So let it be. Last time I'm explaining. I'm getting the session object. Okay. What is this? I am getting the session object. Understanding my point there? I am getting the session object. Super. Fine, boss. After that, what next? SP val is equal to request dot get parameter of S1. Request dot get parameter of S1. I am reading request parameter S1 here. What is this? This is S1. So that gives me button, boss. That gives me button. Right, button caption. If that caption is equal to generate report, button caption is what? Generate report. Then what happened? I'm reading text box value. I'm simply reading text box value. Nothing great. Okay. When I click on submit button, I am not going to get any page number. That's why default page number 1. Okay. If session object is successfully created here, anyhow will be created. Okay. So I am putting page size in the session scope so that we can use across the multiple requests. Understanding my point? Fine, boss. Okay. Next. Else, if submit button is not clicked, come on guys. Submit button is clicked. Request will come from what? Hyperlink 1, hyperlink 2, 3, 4. Yeah, when request comes from hyperlink, what I am doing? I am reading page number, because along with the hyperlink, I am going to send one additional request parameter, page number. How? Like this. Question mark, page number is equal to 1. Question mark, page number is equal to 1. For this, here page number is equal to 2. Here page number is equal to 3. Like this, I am going to have some additional request parameter along with the hyperlinks that I am reading. Okay, get page size from session scope. Get page size from session scope. When? If session object is there. Array, if I disable cookies or with other things, session may disable sometimes. Okay. If session not equal to null, get page size from session. Okay. If not coming from session, anyhow, default size is 3 is there. Anyhow, default size 3 is there. Mr. Akku, you understood? This time you understood? You are in the psychological feeling, you are understanding. I know that. If your basics are not there, if I explain 100 times also, it won't come. Now is for modesty's sake, he is saying that what? Yes, sir. Otherwise, sir will take one more time class to me. guys. Easy or not easy? Okay. Fine. Mr. Akku, don't say yes for me. I know you are getting some issues. Go and improve your servlet fundamentals. If any doubt is there, mail me. Any doubt is there, mail me. Okay, those who have done servlets with me, those who learn servlets properly, all these are what childhood lines, right? Okay, please mail me. Go through the code once, improve your fundamentals. Scopes you improve, of HTML to servlet communication you improve, session management concepts you improve, and then look at the code, you will definitely understand. Still any problem, don't hesitate to mail me. Okay, because why I wantedly stretched the discussion, because nowadays in all batches it has become very fashion, boss, very common. They don't keep proper core Java basic, proper advanced Java basics, and they will say explain one more time, explain one more time. Please improve from your side also. Bit prerequisites are required, right? Okay, understanding my statement there, fine. Because you should study servlet JSP very intelligently. Yeah, invoke service method. What is that? Invoke, sorry, service class method. Invoke service class method. Here, what is this? List. Service class method gives me DTOs, right now. Insurance. Insurance policy DTO. Insurance policy DTO. Insurance policy DTO, this one. Insurance policy DTO. Insurance policy DTO. If someone says Servlet JSP not required, directly you learn framework. Okay, fine. Because enjoy that. Okay, because I don't give that statement, because if someone jumps from building, how can I follow that statement? Definitely, definitely all prerequisites are required. Core Java, Servlet JSPs, even JDBC fundamentals also required. Right. Invoke servlet class service class method. Tell me here. List DTO is equal to service dot page data, page size and page number. Anyhow, according to the situation we are keeping. Next, keep what is this? Keep results list DTO in what scope? Request to scope. Why, sir? Why request scope? Why not session scope? Array in output will change request to request. That's why result. This DTO is result boss output. So that's why for every input, different output will come. For every input, different output will come. That's why we are keeping in request scope. Okay, right. How to keep in request scope? Request dot set attribute. Okay, report request dot set attribute. Okay, I'm taking what is this? Policies list, policies list. Okay, policies list. That is a request attribute name. List DTO. What DTO, guys? List DTO. Forward to report.jsp. Forward the request to report.jsp. Right. Okay. Right. Forward to report.jsp. Here is my request dispatcher. RD is equal to null. Right. RD is equal to request dot get request dispatcher of request dot get request dispatcher of report.jsp. then RD dot forward. But array exceptions may come. I have to think about exception propagation part also, na? Right. Yes. Okay. Here is my, what is this? Catch block. Here is my catch block. What is the exception? Hibernate exception HE. Hibernate exception HE. HE dot print stack trace. Cool, yeah. If any other exception comes, come on. Oh, Hibernate has not come. A headless exception. Great, yeah. Hibernate exception HE. Okay. Yeah. What is next? Exception E. Exception E. What is that? E dot print stack trace. E dot print stack trace. Okay. Forward to target page. Other day we have done one small experiment, one small thing, boss. What is that? String target page is equal to null. String target page is equal to null. Yeah. If everything goes smoothly, target page is equal to slash report dot JSP. Come on, guys. If any exception comes, target page is equal to error dot JSP. Come on, guys. Error dot JSP. Same thing here also. Error dot JSP. Forward to target page. Just don't hard code. Now you say target page. Target page. Request comma response. End of the story na. Easy. Again difficult ah. Again difficult ah. Come on. List DTO. Keeping in request scope. Deciding the target page. Here slash is optional. Exception. Here also slash is optional. Great. And RD dot forward. Request comma response RD dot forward. Everyone enjoyed my point? Fine. Acha, one more thing is there, boss. In the report page, I have to display hyperlinks. That means I have to keep pages count also. Pages count also I should get. Service class methods. Okay, here I will take one more variable into pages count is equal to 0. Or long only we will take what is there in that. Long pages count is equal to 0. Here, one more thing, boss. Pages count. Why? Then only we can display those hyperlinks in the loop, guys. Service dot, tell me. Fetches pages count page size. Okay, passing this. And let me keep that also in the request scope. Set attribute. What is this? Pages count is equal to pages count is equal to pages count. Pages count is equal to pages count. Yes, guys. Listen, one request calling two service method. Two service methods are going to call two DAO methods. So two DAO methods are going to call I session, factory dot get current session. Now tell me here, for one request, two service method, two DAO method. Both methods for one request going to use separate object or same session object. Okay. Same session object because of contextual session. Someone asking me, what is the need of pages count, sir? If pages count is not sent to JSP, how JSP will display these hyperlinks? How JSP knows how many hyperlinks it has to display? Who asked this question? Who is that Mahan Purush? Neeraj Chaudhary. Where we are using pages, get pages count of service class. There is no get pages count, Ra Babu. There is a method called fetch pages count that we are using. There is no get pages count. We have a service class fetch pages count that we are using. Right. Okay, I want to make it, it is working with annotations part. At the rate web servlet. Okay, value is equal to slash controller. I want to enable load on startup one. Load on startup one. Done, guys. Now go to web.xml. I want to configure. Okay, no need of configuring all this stuff. Okay, just to configure index.html as the welcome file. Okay, that's good. Next, after that, what next, guys? What next? I have to develop two JSPs. One is report.jsp, other one is what? Report.jsp, other one is error.jsp. Error.jsp. I think everyone attended JSTL classes. Last time also I have used JSTL, guys. Used or not used? Right. Okay, I think this time you'll understand JSTL code in a better manner, right? You'll understand or not? Okay. Yeah. Is EL ignored? False. I have to import core tag library, boss. At the rate tag lib URI is equal to core. Prefix is equal to this C. Prefix is equal to C. I think I have already added JSTL jars because I copy pasted from last batch code na. Build.gradle JSTL jars are added. Already added, boss. Okay. Report.jsp. Now tell me here. C colon choose. Same last time code only. Table. Last time code only. Next one. C colon when test. This time we don't do mistake. What is the model attribute name? What is the attribute name, guys, in controller servlet? What is the attribute name? If anything, everything is successful. Policies list pages count. Okay, right now I want to go by policies list. Policies list not equal to null and not empty. Remember last time we stuck up in this line like anything. Policies list not empty, policies list. I remembered. I don't know about you, this you people. Policies list. Here I want to get HTML table. Nice. Okay. Border is equal to 1. Border is equal to 1. Align is equal to center. Align is equal to center. Okay. Align is equal to center. Table last time 10-15 minutes we spent time because we are writing end operator or some other operator in a wrong manner, right? Okay, I think it is tr or otherwise I think Eclipse is not recognizing changes. Something happened that day, right? Maybe Eclipse was not taking changes. Yeah, we restarted IDE, we clean project, so much hangama we have done on that day. Serial number, right? Paste. Or I think along with that we have not written not empty in a proper syntax. Something happened that day. I don't know. Right. Tell me serial number. Next one policy ID. Policy ID. Policy ID. Policy name. Policy name. Remember this? Company. Company. Next. Company. Next one. Tenure. Tenure. Serial number, policy ID, tenure. Policy type is also there. Yes. Policy type. Okay. We will write policy type first. Heading row, guys. Nothing there. Head. Policy type. Here is my policy name. Here is this one. Right, guys. Table. Okay. TR is ready. Next. C colon for each. C colon for each. Okay. Next. What is this? C colon for each. Where is equal to DTO? Items is equal to dollar flower bracket open. Policies list. Am I spell is right, guys? Policies list. Spell is right. I don't want to waste my time one more day. Policies list. Okay. Come to this report.jsp. Policies list. Again, TR. TR. Okay. Busy color. Okay. Busy color yellow. Busy color yellow. Yeah, some designing, not a issue. TD open, closing. Yeah, expression language. DTO dot serial number. DTO dot serial number. Paste. DTO dot policy name. Just write the property name. Internally, getter methods will be called. DTO dot policy name. DTO dot, come on, guys. DTO dot policy type. Same order we have to follow. DTO dot policy type. DTO dot company. DTO dot tenure. Tenure. Yes. End of the table. End of the when. C colon otherwise. C colon otherwise. Nice, guys. H1 style. Color colon red. Text hyphen align center. No records found. What here? No records found. Yes, but below the table, again we need to get one hyperlinks, boss. Again we need to write the hyperlinks. Okay. Again we need to get the hyperlinks. Tell me here. C colon for each. Here traditional for loop I should write. Where, okay. Where is equal to I? Where is equal to I? Begin is equal to. Begin is equal to. Come on, guys. I have to print the numbers now, guys. I have to print the numbers. Begin is equal to 1. End is equal to traditional loop. Dollar policy count. Array, that is a variable, scope variable. Policy count. Policies count. Policies count. Step one, increment by one. Okay, nice guys. There, there, I want to have a hyperlink. I just want to have a hyperlink. Okay, bold one also I want to take. Bold and anchor tag. In between A href is equal to controller question mark. Page number is equal to, tell me, page number is equal to dollar floor bracket I. I think you convinced or not. Dollar floor bracket I. Dollar floor bracket I. End of the anchor tag. And the same number I want to display for, I want to display also. Dollar I. Same number I want to display it also. I think you convinced really with me. Oh, you want to have a decoration of square brackets, huh? Okay, 1 minute. Someone is asking me, I need decorations, sir. Square bracket open, square bracket closing. He is expecting some decoration. Okay, that is for decoration purpose. Right. What's the problem? What's the problem? Servlet.jsp context not resolved. Why? This line error. Okay. Need some space between. I think no need of space. The symbols will come as it is. Okay. Right. It is policies counter, pages counter. 1 minute. Main controllers are let. Array, it is pages counter, Babu. Again, mistake. Where is that pages count? Yes, it is pages count. 1 minute. I want to have some space here also. NBSP semicolon. NBSP semicolon. Yeah, these are there to generate spaces, boss. NBSP semicolon. Ampersand NBSP. Save it. What's happening, guys? Why this is error? Otherwise, otherwise, otherwise to be together. Arre, why this H1 tag is giving error? Just ignore it. Just ignore it. Hey, color colon red semicolon. Yes, it's right only, na? Semicolon is right only. No mistakes are there. Sometimes it happens, boss. Sometimes it happens. Just ignore it. Okay. At the end, let me give one home hyperlink, boss. At the end, let me give one home hyperlink. BR ahref index.html home hyperlink. Home hyperlink. Yeah, let's go to some error.jsp. Let's go to some error.jsp. Is EL ignored is equal to false. Array, everyone understood this report.jsp secondary part, second for loop? Second for loop. We are iterating loop through through our traditional for loop up to pages count. Each time I am printing number. Easy logic. Only the headache is I am passing page number as additional request parameter along with the controller. Come on. Yes. Okay. Here what is this? H1 style is equal to color colon red. Color colon red. Colon red. Okay. Text hyphen align center. Internal problem, try again. Internal problem, try again. Yeah. A href index.html home, index.html home, ahref index.html home. Yes, report.jsp. Sometimes it happens, just cut and paste, cut and paste. See, now error gone. Eclipse issue. Sometimes Eclipse is having this kind of headaches. Please, right. Just cut, paste, and gone. Error gone. Sometimes Eclipse won't take changes properly. I think all jars are done. Okay. I think we are all set for execution. We are all set for execution. What do you say, guys? Right. If needed, we'll try to insert more records. But first of all, let me check basic output is coming or not coming. Default phase size is 3. Run on server. Select Tomcat server. 27th line spaces are mandatory. Sir, I have taken. See, if all hyperlink comes side by side, it won't looks guide na. Look na. Only for presentation purpose, I have taken. Only present. Array, this JSTL tag we studied yesterday only. Okay. Welcome to LIC. Enter page size 2. Click on generate report. If any bugs comes, we'll solve them. 404 not found. Okay, no problem. Transaction already active. Transaction already active. Mhm. Transaction already active. Illegal state. Select operation is happening. Transaction already active. Where boss? Main controller servlet. Mhm. 1 minute. Get page data. This dummy transaction I don't take in second one. I'll take only in the first one. Because already in the first method we are taking na. Anyhow, first this only will execute. First count only will execute, right? First count only will execute. What is the order of method calling, boss? What is the order of calling methods? Get pages data. Acha, first we are calling get pages data. Get pages data. Then fetches phase count. Then fetch phase count. Right. Okay, we'll change the order little bit. Here we change the order little bit. Yes. Cut it. Paste it. Yes. Stop this. Right click. Run on server. Right click. Run on server. Yes. Number 2. Ah. What's happening, guys? What's happening? Queries are happening. Everything is happening. Why output is not coming? Queries are coming. See, 2 DTOs are generated. Happily, 2 DTOs are generated. Records are coming. Where it is stucking up, guys? Where it is stucking up? Controller. How can we feel at least exception also not propagating? It is at least exception propagation should happen. At least not redirecting to report. Not redirecting to report. Why it is not redirecting to report, guys? Check the URL. I checked the URL here, na. HQL annotation, get controller, report.jsp not found. Report.jsp we placed na boss. Report.jsp we placed. Oh, it came under web INF. Sorry. It should be there. It should be there where copy web content. Paste in web content, guys. Paste in web content. Yes. Because it is not a Spring MVC to keep in private area, right now. It is not a Spring MVC to keep in private area. Fine. Analyze errors. Yes. Get generate report. Generate report. Yes, we got it. Check it out. Okay, these numbers should be aligned a little bit, boss. These numbers should be aligned a little bit. Okay. If they come beside this, it would be nice, right? Okay. So that presentation also we can improvise, not a big issue. Where is that? Where is that, guys? Ah, report.jsp, not in open mode. Let me search for report.jsp. Not there here. Report.jsp. Report.jsp. We'll make it what? Center open, center closing. Yes. Refresh. Continuation. Arre. Oh, we modified wrong one, huh? We modified wrong one. Arre, this is no, yeah. We modify correct one only. Under WebINF, whatever there I removed. Whatever there I removed. Report.jsp. Report.jsp. Ayo. Center. Yes. Refresh. Oh, they are coming in a new line. Why new line? Why new line? Acha, the center is generating new line. No, how come center generates new line, guys? Okay, center is generating new line, which I didn't like. 1 minute. Every time new line they are coming. 1 minute. I will take P align, P style. What is this? P style. P style. Come on. Center outside the loop. If I write center outside the loop, how come they come? How come they come, boss? How come they come? How come they come? That may work out. 1 minute. Center outside the loop. Not a bad thought. Entire content will come in the center. Yes. And center. Yeah, small presentation issue, not a big issue. Small presentation issue. Refresh. Okay, now you got it. Okay, boys. First page come again. I am clicking on first. What is this? Null pointer exception, line number 46. Line number 46, null pointer. Small issue might have happened. Where is 46, guys? Here. Yes. SP value equals ignore case. SP value equals ignore case. Generate report. Generate report. Yes, listen carefully. If it is the button we are going there, that's really nice. But when I click on hyperlink, are you going to get any? Listen. Are you going to get any additional request parameter? No. Understanding my point there. Are you going to get any additional request parameter? No. So that's why this problem is coming. So nothing is there. What I do is I will go to report.jsp. In report.jsp, along with the page number, I will write one more additional request parameter. S1 is equal to link. What is that here? S1 is equal to link. So what happens, guys? S1 is equal to link. Index.html, name of the button is S1, report coming. From hyperlink, what I am going to get? S1 is equal to link. If it is a link, it will go for that. Say refresh, submitted back. Okay, finance again. What is the size? This 2. Now, what is the view the source code? View the source code. Tell me what's happening. View the source code, everyone. Page number 1, S1 is equal to link, and this is displaying, boss. Now, click on 1. Internal problem, try again. Okay, what's the issue? Internal problem. Transaction already active. Contextual session is giving headache, guys. Transaction already active. Transaction already active. Our basic application is working nice. Give me 2 minutes time. I will solve the problem. Transaction already active. Transaction already active. But that means same. Okay, same method is called. In the same method already transaction is there. Same method is called, already transaction is there. So that's the issue. Get total pages, record count, get result list. Here dummy transaction. This dummy transaction is giving trouble. If I don't have dummy transaction, it is giving headache. Okay, 1 minute. I don't take any transaction now. I don't even take any dummy transaction. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. HQL pagination, run on server. HQL pagination, run on server. This time, if I don't have any active transaction, headache is coming. Generate report. Internal problem, try again. What's the error? Get named query without any active transaction. Oh, when you call same method again and again, we are getting issue towards what? Transaction part. Okay. So go to hibernate util.java, guys. Okay, go to hibernate util.java. So this activeness in the transaction is giving headache. We will work with normal. Okay, 1 minute. In the registry, instead of open transaction, I will go for what? Open session. Instead of get current transaction, I will go for open session. Say stop this, right? Pagination, run on server. Pagination, run on server. Okay, page size 2. Click on generate report. Yes, coming. Click on 1. Click on 2. Click on 3. Click on 1. Guys, came not came? Everyone, guys, came not came? Yes, yes. That current session is giving headache. Listen, listen. Get current session is giving headache. So that's why I have changed it to open session. Tomorrow we analyze and we again come back to get current session. But right now you don't give damn importance to that. Please observe. Please observe. Okay, why that current session is giving headache, we analyze later. Tomorrow we spend time on it. But basic application is working or not working. Basic working is working. Not updating. Why it will not updating, boss? Yeah, yeah. Why current session is giving headache, we'll analyze the reason later. For the timing, you okay, one of your batchmate got the job, check it out. I got job with 7 lakh LPA, entire grades to go. The way you explain some interview or impress. Right. I attended 10 minute interview. I got 3 offer letters finally. Okay. So he's the guy who got the job, boss. Congrats, Mr. Chandrakant. Yeah. Yeah. Congrats, Chandrakant. Fine. I will analyze why that get current session is giving headache. Come on, guys. Why that get current session is giving headache, we will analyze tomorrow and we'll improvise the code. Tomorrow you remind me. But basic pagination part is happening nicely. Did you notice it? Basic pagination process is happening nicely, right? Fine. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow you remind me to talk about that get current session. Enjoyed pagination example, but I am giving one task to you people. Please add next and previous buttons. Please add next and previous buttons, right? Thank you. Have a nice time.